do the parliament and the state legislatures in the sessions have the right to discussion on the judiciaries. The state legislature and the executive and the judiciary, three are the important playing their roles in the Indian constitutional and the functioning of the government. And each body have some checks and balances is there. The judiciary is an independent body, but the relationship with the parliament and the state legislature and the judiciaries, either Supreme Court or High Courts, the relationship is very friendly, need friendly relationship for the proper functioning of the government. But yes, there is right to discussion on the judiciaries in the parliament and the state legislature in some cases. There are certain provisions for the discussion in the parliament and the state legislatures in certain cases. Appointment of judges, discussion on the appointment of the judges and the transfer of the judges to the high courts and this few of these, some of these regarding appointment of the judges. Another one, judicial reforms like changes the appointment pattern of the judges and formation of judiciaries in the placement and the changes of the placements of the judiciaries and construction of the judiciaries, some of these regarding judicial reforms. And also accountability of the judiciary. There has right to discussion on the conduct of the judges and the accountability of the judges. These are some of the cases to discussion on the judiciaries. And in some cases there is some immunity is Constitution provides to the judiciaries in certain cases. There has some provisions are there in some cases. For example, there has there is not right to discussion on the judiciaries regarding pending of the cases in the courts and the judgment of the cases and cases and the verdict of the cases. These are will affect on the this will influences the justice. So that there are some provisions to discussion regarding accountability, regarding judicial reforms, judiciary accountability, and judiciary appointments, and the changes of the judges, and the transfer of the judges to the high courts, and the changes of the pattern of the judges appointment, and conduct of the judges, and reforms of the judiciaries, and construction of the judiciaries. These are the few things can discuss in the parliament and state legislature sessions. But regarding verdict and cases and cases regarding pending cases, these are the parliament sessions and the state legislatures. They can't do in the sessions. But these three bodies are playing very important roles in their own powers, their own immune systems. So judiciaries are independent, but in some cases, according to some provisions, do the discussions in the parliament and state legislature sessions. I think I given some formal information regarding the rights of the parliament and the state legislatures to discuss in the parliament and state legislature sessions on the judiciaries. Thank you.